Hi! In front of me is NOKIA X10 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this NOKIA device. First of all, you need to access calendar app and when you find it, click on it. Then tap on the month above and pick a date. Then you can create your event by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from the list. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now you can pick starting hour, save it by choosing OK, and also ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by tapping on this gray sweater next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want for your event to repeat. For example, every year. If you don't, just tap on Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Here, type in an address and click on the correct result. Then set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, or select Custom. Adjust your notification however you wish to, and tap on Done. Finally, take notes, add attachments, and save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to edit it, just click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then you can discard them by choosing X at the top left corner or save them by tapping on top right one. In order to get rid of your event completely, you can click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!